Hello, my name is Audrey Linton and I am the Programme Director for Aurora International and Aurora Community. It's amazing to see there are so many Aurorans connecting on our monthly online community. But we are also excited to announce that we are now taking bookings for our community workshops, which are now open to all women within higher education and research institutions. The first workshop will be our Career and Development Workshop in March, and this promises to enable participants to build career accountability. This will be followed by our Resilience and Wellbeing Workshop, our very popular Credible Leadership Workshop, and then we have a new workshop, Fundamentals of Finance, which is really important to anyone dealing with university finance. This will be followed by our Leader as Coach workshop at the end of June. All these skills are key for all our Aurorans and non-Aurorans alike who want to build their leadership capability. So for further details, please see our Aurora Community page and our website and register your interest today.